Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain what Dify AI is and what it does and why people are using it to build the AI application. Dify AI is a platform that help you to create an AI powered application without needing advanced coding and skills. It is a combination of no code and low code tool that allow you to build a chatbot, AI assistant, automation system easily. Instead of writing complex backend system, you can simply use Dify AI to design the workflows and connect AI model and build complete application in a visual way. This platform is mainly used by developers, students, startups and anyone who want to build AI tools quickly without spending too much time on a setup and infrastructure. The main purpose of Dify AI is to simplify the process of building AI application. It saves time, reduce the coding effort, and make it easier to integrate powerful language model into a real project. With Diffy AI, you can build different type of application, chatbot, content generation, and code converter, custom support system, and data analysis tools. Okay, so in short, I can say Diffy AI help you to turn your idea into working AI application faster and more efficiently. Okay, so now let's move to the practical analysis and see how it works. Okay, so why this work for you? Because if you don't know code, I mean if you don't have idea about code, okay, so you can build your app or your tool without any code or less code. Okay, you just need to give the prompt there. Okay, so now we will go for practical. Okay, so I'm going to show you practical. So guys, I'm going to open Diffy.ai. Okay, this one, diff.ai. Oh, I use this one, Diffy.ai. Okay, first you need to click here, get start. Okay, so you can see here, this is dashboard of Diffy AI. Okay, and we can explore here you can see. Okay guys, so we can create our own agent. Okay, get start with Diffy, run your first AI application faster. Okay, you can use personalized memory assistant, you can use patient intake chatbot. You need to use, like if you want do some research related things. Okay, so you can use this one, deep research, text policing, translation tool, meeting tool. This one is for meeting tool and this one is for customer review analysis workflow. YouTube channel data analysis. Okay, if you want to do some analysis based on your YouTube channel or somebody's YouTube channel, you can use these tools. Okay, research agent, sentiment analysis. So we have these kind of agent. Okay, and you can see here, this is for code converter and code interpreter, custom service and data analysis tools. These are the data analysis tools. Okay, SQL creator, write the SQL from natural language by pasting in your schema with the request. Okay, so this will use for SQL creator. And knowledge retrievers, we have these question classification knowledge plus chatbot. And you can see here we have market. This one is for market, guys. Wait a minute, somebody is going to call me. Okay, text policing, and we have research based agent also, deep research. So these are the agent, guys. Okay, so first I have all the agents, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to show you one practical example for this. Code base, where is it? Retrieval base, market base, custom. Okay, AI coding base. So I'm going to use this template. Okay, code base. Here I need to fill description. I mean, we need to give some prompts. Okay, so I have this prompts. You are expert programmer code converter role, convert the code from one programming language to the another accurately while preserving logic and structure and functionality. Okay, and rules: do not change the logic of the code, only convert syntax to the target language, keep the variable name consistent unless language require change. Okay, so these are the prompts. Supported language: Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, C++, Go, Python, PHP, Ruby, Kotlin, Swift. Okay, workflow: detect source language if not provided, identity target language, convert code accurately and return only final converted code. Okay, and here I need to pass source language and target language and code. Inside this we are going to pass the query. Code form written only in only the converted code, no explanation. Okay, so here we need to pass this kind of prompt there that it will understand. Okay, here in description. And now I'm going to use this one, create. Okay, so you can see here I have created this one. Now we can publish. Okay, by clicking here, it is going to use ChatGPT model. Okay, so you can also change the models also. We have different kind of models. These are the models. Okay guys, like if you want Anthropic, Gemini, so you can use different kind of models. Okay, so you can change here model name also. Okay, okay, so you want to change GPT-5, you can create like this. Okay, and then you need to remove this, and then you need to publish this. 1 minute. I'm just going to publish this. It is working. Published. Where is it? How can I open this? Okay, I'm going to use Python. Okay, I'm going to use Python, and inside this I need to pass one code, this one, for Favenico series. Okay, so this is the Python code. I want to convert it into another language. Okay, so here I'm going to use PHP. Okay, I'm going to run here. Oh guys, simple. It is giving us Python code for Favenico series. Or if you want to convert into other language like Swift, so it will give us output in a Swift language. Okay, so you can see here this output in a Swift. I don't know about Swift, or we can also convert it into a JavaScript. So guys, you can use any tool, and you can, according to your need, you can use any tool. Okay, or any agent. So here you can see this code in a JavaScript, or so you can use in C plus C has. Okay, this one is in C has. Okay, if you want this code in R, so this is giving us output in R. So this is like code converter, one language to another language. Okay, if you have code, or like if you have long project, so if you want convert your Node.js or JavaScript code into another language, then you can convert it. Okay, here you can change the model name also. Okay, and you can also fill the maximum token response time like this. Okay, and JSON schema you can give here, so you can provide the details here. Okay, I'm just show you some examples. After this I'm going to use another tool. Here I have this one, file translation. Okay, it is going to translate your file. So again here I need to fill the prompt. So I have this prompt, general AI assistant prompt: you are a helpful, precious and concise AI assistant, understand the user input before answering, clear ask the clarifying question if the if the request is ambiguous, provide the step-by-step answer. Useful, when useful, keep the resources clear and practical. Avoid the unnecessary fluff. So I'm giving here this prompt. I'm going to create. You can create on click on here in publish. Okay, so it is going to publish, but how can I open this? Run app, run in explore. So I'm going to click here, run in explore. Okay, so now you can see here I have this overview. So here you need to upload your file. Okay, I'm going to upload this CV. Okay, and language, I'm not giving language here. Should I give? Because it is in English, maybe I have this in English. Okay, Hindi, I'm giving here Hindi. So here I can ask the question. Oh, this is giving us output in Hindi, guys. Dekho. This is a fake CV I have created and it is giving us answer in Hindi. Somewhere is English, but somewhere is Hindi. Okay. Should I tell something? Something from this CV? I'm asking, give me education offer. Okay, so this is asking me, oh, educations. Right, now it is going to ask, could you specify the target language you want this translation into? Example, so I want this in German. So it is giving us, aha, no, it is giving, it is giving us in German. Guys, this is the German. Okay, just it is just doing translation, Hindi to English, English to German, and somewhere it is going to use Hindi. So I want just education, that is German. German, I already said that translate the education in German. Okay, so here it is, like we can see here, this part is in German, this also in German, this also in German, this also in German, this part is also in German, everything is in German. Okay, guys, this is not for giving you particular answer, but it is only for translation. I'm not giving here Urdu, but let's see it is giving us or no. Oh, it is giving us in Urdu also. You can translate in Tamil also. If if this model is okay, so this is the answer in Tamil, giving 4 3 lines. Okay, or we can ask translate in Japanese. So guys, this is the answer, it is giving us like this. Okay, and in French, this is going to translate only skills. And now it is giving us whole CV in French. Okay, and I said that in Hindi. So it is giving us in Hindi. Okay guys, so this is used for only translation, this, and this one is used for code converter. I already explained. Okay, and you can use multiple agent also. So this is our app gallery, you can find out the models. You can do sentiment analysis with the help of this. Okay, and this is the studios. I have used these two. Okay, and you can see here this is a workflow. No app here. Okay, and chat flow, this one. Chatbot, no app. An agent, no agent here. Okay, you can create your own. Okay, and you can see here knowledge. Inside the knowledge you can create your knowledge here. Okay, like import from file, sync from notion, and sync from website. You can also do upload the file, and you can also extract the text. Okay, data source, document processing, and execute and finished. And you can use tools here. We can use tools like audio. It will convert the audio into a text. A tool for TTS and ASR. This is used for code. Run a piece of code and get the result back. Current time, a tool for getting the current time. Okay, so like if you want to somewhere, if you want to import current time somewhere, then you can use this web scraper. This will be used for scraping the web data, so you can also create the web scraper with the help of this. YouTube, chart generator, and Wikipedia. If you want data, or if you want to you create agent that access the Wikipedia and YouTube and chart generator, so this will, you can use these kind of tools. Okay, we can also use customs. We can also create our custom tools here. Okay, we need to give name here, and we need to give the schema. Okay, and we need to give description here, and we need to create. Okay, so here I'm going to close this, and you can also create your own MCP here. Enter the server URL, name, and icon. Okay, so here I'm going to close this. So guys, this is the Dify AI. You can create your own AI tools with the help of this, without code or with the help of less code or no codes. Okay, and we have different plugin also. These are the plugins: Wikipedia, OpenAI API, Charter, Chart Generator. Okay, explore your AI development. Model tool, data source, trigger, agent, extension. So we have different things. These are the plugins you can install. Okay, you can also use Table AI, Baby 8. Baby 8 is a vector database. Okay, Epify, Silicon Flow. You can install these plugin. Okay.